Hello guys, welcome to Medical Maniac. So today I am going to talk about PCOD, which is known as polycystic ovarian disease. So PCOD has probably become the most common problem among women, especially teenage women. However, you will find it strange and frigid that a large number of women remain undiagnosed and untreated from this disease. It is basically a hormonal disorder which occurs due to formation of multiple cysts around the ovaries. Though PCOD causes many side effects inside and outside the woman's body, but the main thing it does that it increases the secretion of androgens, which we call it as hyperandrogenism, inside the female body and causes inflammation in the ovary. Androgens are the hormones that is secreted inside the man's body in high amount and regulates the development of male characteristic features. It is secreted inside a woman's body in a very small amount. The main cause that why PCOD occurs is still unknown, but due to unhealthy lifestyle, continuous stress and consuming junk food in an unusual amount highly increases the risk of PCOD. The women who are suffering from PCOD generally have irregular menstruation, like 2 to 6 month gap in having menstruation, excessive pain during menstruation and excessive bleeding at the time of menstruation. PCOD can lead to the risk to other health issues like depression, anxiety, diabetes, etc. Diagnosis. The diagnosis of PCOD is generally done through following ways. We can do it by blood test and ultrasound. Symptoms. There can be many symptoms that can indicate that a woman is suffering from PCOD, or sometimes there can be no symptoms at all. I would suggest that it is important to have medical health checkup around every 6 months so that we can be safe and we will not get to know about any disease inside our body when it gets in a very critical condition. Most common symptoms of PCOD are disordered menstrual cycle, no menstruation, excessive bleeding, body hair growth on face or any other part of the body, acne which is continuous in pattern, obesity, abnormally excessive weight gain, hair loss. Kindly pay an immediate visit to gynecologist if you are visible to any of these symptoms inside your body. There can be other symptoms visible in the female's body also. So problems. PCOD causes many other health problems which can be critical to the woman's body. However, healthy lifestyle and proper medication can have a big impact, can control the abnormal secretion of the hormones. Eating healthy foods and doing exercise regularly may give a great relief. There are few problems a woman may suffer from PCOD. The problems are depression, anxiety, infertility, abnormal body hair growth, diabetes, endometrial cancer, which is very rare in case of PCOD, heart disease, high blood pressure. PCOD can also cause premature birth or miscarriage in pregnant women. Treatment. Doing exercises regularly to maintain the body weight and eating healthy food is one of the best ways to keep control of PCOD. The birth control pills have many side effects which may harm the woman's body. Food that helps in PCOD or polycystic ovarian disease are green vegetables, low carbohydrate foods, fish or fish oil, fruits, high fiber grains, healthy fats. Foods with high amount of carbohydrate and junk foods are harmful for women suffering from PCOD. Regular visit to the gynecologist and full body health checkup will be beneficial to keep check of the hormone levels and other diseases. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. We'll meet you on another video of Medical Maniac. Bye.